Manufacturing is a huge area. We get all of our things through manufacturing. We're safe through automotive. We want our cars fixed. We want to ensure that we have good HVAC, we have good welding. So all of those things are needed, and we need to get a trained workforce so that we can address those needs. A lot of the people that are in manufacturing now are aging out, so they're leaving and retiring, and that's what a lot of people in the trade circles are calling the silver tsunami. So they're leaving a lot of jobs open. Moraine Valley is one of the schools that we can really get students job ready so they can fill those positions.
All of our mechanical technology programs use all current standards and equipment to better suit our students for going out to the field. We have advisory boards committees where we talk to local professional businesses and other manufacturing businesses to incorporate their needs and their specifications throughout their industry and what they need done.
The foundation helps provide scholarships for students that otherwise wouldn't be able to attend school, which is really important. It also helps provide cutting-edge technology. Reading about it in a book is fine, but being able to practice on equipment firsthand and being able to have that time, gain confidence, gain the skills is really important for them to be day one ready for the job.
The reason why I chose to attend Moraine Valley for heating and air conditioning is because I always wanted to do hands-on, it makes sense. I'm really grateful to be here. You know, without the scholarships, I wouldn't be here.
I wanted to be a mechanic because I always liked to rebuild my toys. When I was a kid, I always used to break them, and I'll fix them just out of nowhere. My mom, she'll be like, "Oh, you fixed your toys." I'll be like, "Yeah, yep." My dream is to own my own automotive shop, really. To fix the things that other people break. I would want to fix those things, you know. The Moraine Valley Foundation scholarship impacted my education by just making me work harder and doing what I was started to do, which was working on cars. When I was awarded the scholarship, I'm not really a emotional person, but I was really smiling really hard. So, and I told my mom, and she was so excited for me. She gave me a hug, big hug. It was just really warming.
My brother, he also is a scholarship recipient, and just as the family, we always try to aim for greater things and put our best foot forward in all that we do. If I could complete this program, it will show to me and my character that I'm dedicated and that I could really go out and do great things in the world. So that's a really huge aspiration I have to complete this program. And with the scholarships, I think they can help me make it happen.
For all the donors and supporters of Moraine Valley Community College and all of our programs throughout this campus, without your help and support, we could not be as successful as we are without you.
Thank you for allowing us to have cutting-edge, world-class services and programs for our students. It helps tremendously.
To the donors, thank you for supporting the Moraine Valley Foundation. I'm very grateful, and I can speak on behalf of all the students. We are all grateful. So thank you, and I'm very appreciative for all you did for us.
Thank you for supporting me in my dreams. It really meant a lot to me, to my mom, to my dad, my entire family. You helped me fund my dream.